Hey, it's Edge here, and on today's video we're checking out APE. Now this is another one of those requested coins, so if you have another one you'd like me to analyze, let me know down in the comment section. Let's get right into it. This is on Coinbase again, and this is a really short amount of price history on this one, as it is really new, but somehow there is some kind of wave structure that I can find here, and it's pretty easy to see. This one is pretty debatable. I'll just label it 1, 2. This looks impulsive and it looks to be ending here. It gives us some kind of correction down. The correction down can be labeled as such. ABC got a triangle on the B wave, and then well, this should be actually 5 waves. Let's correct that. No, so 1, 2, let's say 3, 4, 5. Doesn't really matter at this point. So yeah, that brings us to here, and I've labeled this as wave 2, but we'll see how that turns out at a later date. So here's the basic count here for what is happening on this range. I've labeled this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into minuet 1. This gives us some kind of correction that we're still in, and I've labeled this as ABC, and this would be some kind of a structure as well. It doesn't look too much like 5 waves. That should be a C wave. So I haven't labeled this and giving us flexibility of all this counts to be a WXY. Now currently we are at the bottom of this channel, and also this purple channel, that is the parallel channel from this high here to this high here, and spread to this low point of A. Now this gives us a point around here that we've rejected off of. There is also some kind of support we see here that we're currently right now at, and some kind of support here as well, where we actually bounced off. Yeah, this golden pocket is again from the lows to these highs, giving us a possible wave 2 ending here. I've also got the parallel channel from this high here to the next high here to the lows, and projecting again pretty much a tack on this lower trend line. Now that gives us multiple signs that this is a possible bottom, even if it's just a temporary one. Now what you should be looking at is the break of this channel and possibly a backtest today, to give another chance for long if you don't want to take this kind of risk. Of course there is multiple signs saying that this is a good technical spot, so again, on your risk management, make sure that if you want to trade such things, that there is a stop loss in use at some point wherever you use it. Now another possibility for this is another WXY, bringing us the wave 2 right here. Again, this can be broken down into 3 waves. I think it could be something like this, and giving us again the Y here. But for now it looks more like an impulse here to me. This could, again, if it's an X wave, a corrective 3 wave structure, we could be saying that this is 1 as labeled, 2 as labeled, then subwaves 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here, bringing us the 3rd here, and super small 4 and this 5th here. Then we would have 3 wave structure again, and 5 wave up, and that would allow us to get an X wave up here, and then again this 3 wave down. Now let's check out some targets for APE, if this is indeed the end of wave 2. Let's check it out here. Yeah, that's a pretty good spot for it. Let's actually just use the right pivots here, give us some kind of accurate targets. Again, if this is also, yeah, let's talk about that in a bit. So wave 3 around $24 expected, the 1.618, but and then another correction and then higher up, if this is again impulse wave. If it's not, what can we expect? If this is some kind of correction in itself and not a part of this wave 2 structure, like so, we would be targeting the 1-to-1 around $18, which is giving us again massive 55% gains. Again, if it goes up there and stops around this 1-to-1 or all-time highs currently, and then we could see this whole thing as a partner leg for this one here, giving us a flat pattern because it comes over the 90% retracement mark, and actually at this point it would be, if it goes above the all-time high, it would be the expanded flat, and then we would be expecting lower targets all the way from 0.618 to here to lows that we have never seen yet. But yeah, that can definitely develop, and we will see what will happen in the future. But I think that is all I wanted to share you at this point, and for now I thank you for watching, and bye bye.